Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with SAP Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. First, we need to understand the importance of scalability. Scalability allows businesses to respond quickly to market changes and growing demands. Next, begin by evaluating your current infrastructure. Identify bottlenecks and limitations within your existing system. This assessment will guide your scaling strategy. Now, let's explore the SAP Cloud offerings available to you. SAP Cloud Platform is designed for building applications that can grow alongside your business. Familiarize yourself with SAP S/4HANA for real-time data processing and analytics. Next, you should consider implementing SAP Business Technology Platform. This platform integrates data management, application development, and analytics. Now, plan your application architecture to ensure it is cloud-native. Utilize microservices and containerization for greater flexibility. After that, assess your data storage needs. Choose between SAP HANA Cloud for high-performance analytics and data processing. Consider SAP Data Intelligence for comprehensive data management. Next, set up SAP Cloud Identity Services for secure access control. This ensures that users can scale their access as needed without compromising security. Once your infrastructure is in place, focus on automation. Implement tools such as SAP Cloud ALM for monitoring and management. This will streamline your operations and reduce manual workloads. Next, leverage SAP's machine learning capabilities. These can help you analyze trends and forecast future needs accurately. As you begin to scale, continuously monitor your system performance. Use real-time analytics to make informed decisions on resource allocation. Finally, embrace a culture of continuous improvement. Regularly assess your scaling strategies and adapt to changing requirements. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your operations with SAP Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.